Hello everybody, this is Sven Tech Tips for the rest of us, and today we're going to be going over this little tip, hack, whatever you want to call it, that I learned about not too long ago, and I was mystified, and I didn't realize I could do it, and I spent many years of my computing life without knowing I could do this, so I just want to pass it on to you. So we all know if I left click and select stuff like this, I can select it, right? And that works if I want to select something sequentially. So say I want to do 1, 2, 3, 4, boom. But that's usually not the case in a directory like this. Usually it's different, right? So what you can do is if you select this file, right, and say I want to select this 2, this 3, this 4, these 3 files, right? If I hold shift, if I have that highlighted and I press shift and I just go down and I press shift 4, do you see what that just happened? It highlighted all 3 of these, right? So if you have sequential folders, say you wanted to go here to here, you just hold shift and you're good to go, right? All right, well, that's pretty nifty. That has its scenarios. How about, if the files aren't sequential, right? So same sort of deal. Instead of, we're gonna highlight this file, but instead of hitting shift, right, I'm gonna hit control. And I'm gonna go ahead and go this 2, this 3, this 4, and this 5, right? Go ahead and let that control button up, and I have selected all of these sequential videos right here. Or non-sequential videos, right? And you could do it with, however many. You just hold control button, even if you need to go back, whatever, and you're good to go. Just click off. Now, if I wanted to move these, just move them out. Look, I have 5 documents, put them back in, we're good to go. So what I want to do is leave you kind of like with a practical resource, or maybe like a practical of this, and I can show you this. I'm going to go ahead and show you my recording assets. I'm not going to mess with this one because this is the file that's still connecting. But normally what I would do, if I just go here and I want to select these, instead of, selecting every one and then hitting delete or whatever, because these are all old clips, all I got to do, shift, highlight them all, and then go ahead and press delete. Now, I don't want to delete these clips, but if I did, that's how you would use it practically. Anyway, guys, this has been Sven Tech. If this video has helped you or has saved you a little bit of time, please hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button. It helps so much. You can follow me on socials. If you have any questions or comments about this, or you have any video suggestions, anything you guys need help with, please go ahead and drop it down in the comments. Besides that, you guys have a nice day. I'll talk to you later.